Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. Today I'm gonna sharing with you a cute mini scrapbook for mother. To get more videos, please click on the red subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any of my video. So let's get started. Actually, I got order from my colleague to make any kind of things for Mother's Day, and I have made this, so I am sharing with you guys. Hope you will order this kind of material.